Ace Handyman Services is best known for being a direct-to-homeowner experience, but the reality is over time, we become very experienced in the commercial lane. In commercial, we're focused on what makes your business run better, the implications of having repair and maintenance predictable, that is something that you can control is an asset in managing your P&L. Our multi-skilled craftsmen are qualified to do a wide range of work on your property, all designed to prevent costly repairs later. We operate with precision to serve you in a predictable manner, and we can set up any arrangement, either contractual or not. We exist to make repair and maintenance simple and manageable. The multi-skilled craftsmen that we employ, not subcontract, meet the insurance requirements you need for peace of mind. We're bonded and insured so you and your property are covered with work that's backed by a 1-year warranty. With Ace Handyman Services, you pay for only what you need. We work on time and materials so you get what you pay for instead of paying extra for a padded overestimate. We can make it easy to try us out. You can see how we perform. If you like what you see, you can customize a solution that fits your business, and a program can be set up with a frequency that works for you. The tasks in a monthly maintenance program change by month and by season. We get to know your building and its needs and make it work for you. Let us help you so this part of administrative life is handled and you can do business without interruption. Our multi-skilled craftsmen can be your extended maintenance staff, dealing with one-time challenges or intermittently supplementing your current team as the needs arise. Let's have a conversation to see if we can help you better manage your repair and maintenance in a way that best works for you.